Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can reset your TCL Smart TV. So it is very simple to reset your TCL Smart TV. If you want to do it, you can simply go to the top right corner and you can simply scroll down and go to the device preferences right here. And in the device preferences, you can simply scroll down to the bottom of the list and go to the reset option right here that you see on the bottom of the screen. And you can simply click OK. And in the option, you can see this is where it is going to show you to factory data reset right here. If you want to reset the data, you can scroll down on the factory data reset and click OK on your remote to reset your TCL Smart TV. This is going to erase all of your data from the device internal storage, including your Google account and including your app data and settings and including your downloaded apps as well. So I hope this was helpful and this answered your question. Thank you so much for watching.